Now we are going to talk about what is the need of data warehousing. हे सगळं आपण जे म्हणतोय, what is the need of that? What is the need of this data warehousing that we are going to talk about? What is the need of data warehousing? Why we require data warehousing? That we are going to talk about. So there are certain points are there which I want to make clear. The first one, it is used for taking the quick and effective decisions. It is used for taking quick and effective decisions. It is used to take quick and effective decisions. That's why we require a data warehouse. Second point, it helps the user in providing the necessary information. It is used to provide the necessary information to the user. Then third point, it is the best way to integrate variable data from different sources into a databases of particular application. It is a best way to integrate our variable data from various sources into a database of a particular application. I have given you an example of if I am having a clothing store of the Reliance Mart, so there I will be getting a data from the different sources, and I am going to combine that data into a single database like Data Mart. The third point, the data warehouse makes it easy to develop and store the metadata. The data warehouse makes it easy to develop and store the metadata. Okay, then last point, it is very difficult to retrieve the data from table for the analytical purpose. So data warehouse plays a vital role there. जर माझ्याकडे नुसते टेबल्स रिप्रेझेंट केलेत मी, त्यातनं मला डेटा मिळू शकतो का? No, but if I am storing it in a data warehouse, I can get the data, I can retrieve the information what in whichever way I want. That's why it is the fourth point says it is very difficult to retrieve the data from the tables only. That's why if I am using data warehouse, from there I can get a different analytical, or I can analyze the data from data warehouse very easily. Okay, then. So these are the 4 points. Point number 5 points. For point number 1, it is used for taking quick and effective decisions. Point number 2, it is providing necessary information for user. Point number 3, we can integrate the data from different sources into a single database of a particular application. Point number 4, it is easy to develop a metadata. And point number 5, it is very difficult to retrieve the graphs or charts from the tables, so we can do it with the help of data warehouse very easily. Then we are having these questions are being asked in your final exam for 5 marks. Now I don't know this time what happens, your exam with the subjective or your exam will be objective, that I don't know, but let's hope so everything will go fine. Then today the last point of today's lecture is this: which are the different benefits of the data warehouse? These are the, or which are the different, what I can say, advantages of the data warehouse that we are going to study. Which are the different benefits? So benefit number 1, if I want to talk about, the data warehouse collects the data from various sources into a single database so that a single query engine can be executed to access the data. डेटा वेअरहाऊस जो डेटा आपण कलेक्ट करतो इन डेटा वेअरहाऊस, वी कॅन स्टोअर दिट इन अ सिंगल डेटाबेस. आणि जर मी सिंगल डेटाबेसमध्ये स्टोअर केला, सो आय कॅन रन अ सिंगल क्वेरी एक्झिक्युशन प्लान, दी सिंगल क्वेरी इंजिन to access that data. Then we are having a point number 2. The point number 2 says what? It delivers the organization information correctively to the business experts and managers. It delivers the organization information in a corrective way, in a clear way, to the business experts and the managers. Then we are having the third point. It recognizes the data to make it understand for the business users. That is the business intelligence part. You will be studying one more subject in third year, in the sixth semester, I hope so, DMBA. So there you will be seeing business management. So there you will be seeing this particular part because you will be requiring a data warehouse. You will be requiring a basic understanding of data warehouse there. Okay. Then the fourth point, it provides a common data models for all the database users. It provides that point in I think below. Let me roll it. So you can see it provides a common data models for all the database users. And last point, whatever the decisions we make, it will support the query, whatever the result we want, that we can fetch it in a very easy way by writing a simple queries. Okay, so these are the disadvantages. What I can say, these are some advantages of the data warehouse. So hope so you people have got it.